So we're looking for students who can take what they've learned and understand how those skills, that knowledge, and those abilities translate to the healthcare management field. I don't care what your undergraduate major is. Part of it applies to healthcare management in helping the people in our community.
I decided to pursue my MHA degree because after getting a Bachelor's of Health Sciences, I knew that healthcare was the route I wanted to go in. But I was really focused on making sure I could provide healthcare leadership in a more business-centered atmosphere.
So I decided to get my MHA because I knew that in the healthcare field, there was going to be an opportunity for me to impact people's lives. And growing up, playing sports, playing baseball, I always fell into a role of leadership.
At the UF MHA program, our students can literally go anywhere in the nation and even internationally. If you think about wherever care is being delivered, wherever care is being paid for, wherever it's being researched, where policy about healthcare is being made, our UF MHA graduates are there. And one of the strengths of the UF MHA program is we encourage students to discover their path, find the right path for them. And that may be going to fellowship, it may be going straight to work in hospital operations, it may be long-term care, it may be consulting. Again, there's not one path, it's your path. And that's one of the areas we excel at, is helping students develop the opportunities to find their path.
Some of the advantages from having an MHA degree at the University of Florida are the incredible opportunities that you have working so closely to UF Health and the College of Medicine here. It is an incredible academic medical center with so much to learn and so many opportunities for future careers.
Yeah, I think exclusively the UF MHA provides an opportunity for you to spend 2 years with a cohort model. You're going to build a lot of relationships with not only those students, but UF at large being an academic medical center.
I will absolutely stay connected with the rest of my cohort along with all of the alumni within the UF MHA program. There's so many opportunities with networking and there's no shortage of resources.
As someone who has both an MHA and an MBA, the simple advice I give, if you know you want to be in healthcare, get an MHA.
I would tell anyone to go get their MHA at the University of Florida. It is a phenomenal program with great opportunities that lie ahead.
And you're going to be able to get involved in a lot of areas. You're going to be able to see and learn a lot of things. So that's why the UF MHA is the best.